Hello students, welcome to an exciting math adventure. In this video, we'll dive into the world of percentages. A percentage is a fraction of 100, representing a part of a whole. Understanding percentages will help us in real-life scenarios like sales, discounts, and understanding data. Are you ready to become percentage pros? Let's get started. Let's start with some examples to get the hang of percentages. If you score 40 out of 50 on the test, what percentage did you get? That's right, 40 over 50 times 100, which simplifies to 80%. Now, let's tackle some more exciting problems together. Imagine you're going shopping and you find a fantastic shirt with a price tag of 2,500 pesos. Lucky you, there's a 25% discount. How much money will you save? To calculate the discount, we'll use the formula discount equals original price times percentage. So, the discount is equal to the original price, which is 2,500 pesos, times the percentage or rate, that is 25%. To convert the percentage to a decimal, we will divide it by 100. Thus, the discount is equal to 2,500 times 0.25, which is 625 pesos. So, you'll save 625 pesos on the shirt. That's an amazing deal. Great progress, math wizards! Time for a quick quiz. Here's the question. If a restaurant bill comes to 4,000 pesos and you want to leave a 15% tip, how much tip should you leave? Think about it, and I'll reveal the answer shortly. Feel free to pause this video and think and analyze what should be the solution. Time's up. The correct answer is 600 pesos. You're acing these percentage problems. Let's explore percentage increase. If the number of students in the school increased from 500 to 575 this year, what is the percentage increase? To find the percentage increase, we use the formula. Percentage increase is equal to new value minus old value all over old value times 100. So, percentage increase is equal to the new value, which is 575, minus the old value, which is 500, over 500, which is the old value, times 100. Then we have 575 minus 500, that is 75, over 500. So, when we simplify 75 over 500 times 100, that's going to be 0.15. And we will multiply it to 100, then we have 15%. So, the percentage increase in the number of students is 15% this year. You did it, students! You've mastered percentage problem solving. Now, you can confidently handle discounts, tips, and percentage increase in real-life situations. Keep practicing and math will become your superpower. Before we wrap up, let's tackle the final quiz question. Ready for the last challenge? Here's the question. If a laptop is originally priced at 40,000 pesos, but it's on sale with a 20% discount, what is the sale price? Think it through and I'll reveal the answer now. Feel free to pause this video and think for your solution. Time's up! So, to find the sale price of the laptop after 20% discount, follow these steps. Step 1. Find the discount amount. Discount amount is equal to original price times percentage discount. So, we have the original price, which is 40,000 pesos, times the percentage discount, which is 20%, and that's going to be 40,000 pesos times 0.20. And that is equal to 8,000 pesos. For our step 2, subtract the discount amount from the original price to find the sale price. So we have the sale price equals original price minus discount amount. So we have the original price 40,000 pesos minus the discount amount which is 8,000 pesos. Then we have 32,000 pesos. So the sale price of the laptop after 20% discount is 32,000 pesos. And I want to congratulate everyone. You've reached the finish line of our percentage journey. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel for more exciting lessons, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep crunching those percentages.